Hi, welcome back. Today we want to learn on how to insert page numbering to our document. Now, as you can see, we have actually created our table of content before, and you can see that everything is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and something like that. What we want to do is in such a way that we'll be able to separate Roman numeral, either Arabic numeral, and the Latin numeral, the English one. So how we are going to do that is what we want to learn in this video. Previously, we learned on how to insert table of content automatically. I'll put the link in the description below. So I'm going to update this table to incorporate all the new things there, which include certification, acknowledgement, abstract, table of content, etc. This is how a typical project looks like in this part of the world. As the first thing you need to do, where you want your work to start, that's from this first page. All you have to do is come to insert and come to page number, come to format page numbers, then come to number format, select the one you want. I want to use Roman numeral for the first ones. I'm going to use Roman numerals, the lowercase. This is it. And where am I going to start from? I'm starting from 1. I'm going to increase it. So this is where I'm starting from, and I'm going to click OK. Nothing has been done here. All I have to do now is come to insert again, page number again, and where I want my page to be, my number to be rather, which is bottom of the page. So once I select here, you can see that I have page numbering already, and everything is in Roman numeral till the end. 5, 6, 7, and all that. Even here, it is still Roman numeral. This 6. So what we want to do is we want to separate. Want the Roman numeral to stop here, and our English numeral to start from here. 1, 2, 3 to start from here. So what we are going to do is we are going to come here at the end of the numerals of one type of numbering. All we have to do is come back to insert again, come to layout, come to page setup, click on apply to, and change this whole document to this point forward. Once I click it and I press OK, after pressing OK, you can see that it has changed to 1 again, and this one that it changed to means that we can now change this one back to our English numerals. So I'm going to come to insert again and put in, come to page numbering, page number format, and the number format is in Roman numeral. I'm going to change it to the standard English one. So click on the number and click on OK. You can see that is now 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So, and the one up is still the Roman numeral. Even if you want to use Arabic, this is how it's going to be. So I can, the space here, I can always delete the space here now. Sorry. Yes. So we have 8 in Roman numeral and we have 1 here. So all I have to do is come and update my table of content so that we incorporate that. So click on update and update numbers only, and voila, this is how to insert my page numbering. So if you look at the first page, it has page numbering too, and maybe you don't want it to have a number. Double click on where the number is and to bring out another section which has header and footer, and just click on different first page. When you click on different first page, it will take the number away. Not that it will not have number again, but number will start from the second page, which is 2, and automatically this is still 1, but it has removed that first one there. And that is how to insert our page numbering. Thank you.